Is it me? Or is Nairobi just too cold? It's cold to an extent that before I get to my bed, I just have to iron it. Like single people problems. Am I the only one? Or if you're single out there, what do? Do you just get to your bed like that? Like even before I get to my room, leave alone the ironing of the bed, like I just have to warm my room. Like I come and switch on the heater and then go sit in the living room for like 15 minutes and then I'll come back and then I'll start ironing the bed. It's just too cold. You wear socks, you wear... goodness. Anyway, these are just single people's problems. I'm sure there are people who don't even understand what I'm talking about, but yeah, if you're single, I'm sure you feel me. So today's topic, first of all, guys, I hope you watched the fitness video. The first one went up last Friday. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're practicing these things at home, like, you know, let's all keep fit. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about fitness. Today's topic is related to something that I did before. There's a time I did a video on how to attract the right clients if you're starting a business. So today I'm going to talk about how to maintain those clients. Once you attract the right clients, now you have them. So what are you going to do to maintain those clients? Point number one is develop a relationship with your clients. When I'm saying develop a relationship, I'm not trying to, tell you to start having a romantic relationship with your clients. No. What I'm just trying to say is make those clients your friends. Be a friendly, approachable expert in whatever you do. Like when you're handling your clients, build that relationship to that extent. You understand? Point number two is treat clients as individuals. What I mean by this is that personalize your approach when you're dealing with different clients. For example, when you're doing your proposals, if one thing worked for you with a particular client, it doesn't mean that that particular thing is going to work for you with this other client. Approach them differently. Don't copy paste your things. Point number three is surpass clients' expectations. When they assign you to do a certain job, make sure you deliver quality work. Like give it an extra, that thing. You understand? Like give it your best, so that when even you take it to them and then they make comments like I didn't expect to see something like this. I mean, like it's way beyond the expectation. Just make it feel like you gave it, not even make it, give it your best. Like just, so that when you give them something that is quality, they will keep on coming back to you. Like you won't have to stress it. Like they will always come back to you because you know what? You're the best and you give the best. Cool. Point number four is treat your clients with respect. Treat your client with respect. And this is something that I can say I've seen before in one of the companies that I was working for before. So there's a client who comes in and gives you a job of 5 million. And then there's a client who walks in and gives you a job of 5,000. These clients, they might not be on the same level, but they are your clients. There is the small SMEs, and then there is now the big clients, every company I'm sure have like their big five, which is a good thing. But now you have your big five and then you have these other people. Treat them the same way, with the same respect. Like treat the way you respect this one who gives you a job of 5 million. Do it to the person who gives you a job of 5,000. Because at the end of the day, these two clients contributed to your growth. If your target was, let's say, 20 million in a month or 20 million in a year, these two clients both contributed to that. So they deserve to be respected the same way. Point number, encourage your clients to give feedback. Those who give you feedback are the best clients, by the way. Those who keep quiet can just go and, destroy your name out there. So I prefer a client who give me feedback. When they're not happy about a certain job that we did, they'll come and tell me and just tell me that, oh, you know what, Christine, whatever you guys did this time round, I wasn't happy with it. Come up with ways of how to get this feedback. You can do it maybe through phone calls. You can do a follow-up like on mail just to check up if whatever they received is what they expected or is what, just get that feedback. This will also make your clients feel like you care about what they think, not just about you and the money. It will make them feel like you really care. If it's clothes you're selling, make sure that at least you just ask them, did you like whatever was delivered? Was it of good quality? Is there anything that you'd like us to do the next time? Is there anything you need? Just ask them. I love the way hotels do nowadays. Like when you visit them, there's usually a mail that comes to you where you get to feel whether you liked certain thing or whether you liked, some hotels give you before you leave, like before when it's checking out, you get to feel it. Yeah, it's something good, and it helps them to even grow, and even it makes me feel good, by the way, when I give people feedback. Like if I liked certain thing, I'll, give feedback with, okay, yeah, that's it. So yeah, encourage your clients to give feedback, because that's how you're gonna grow. Point number 6 is accept your mistakes. For you to maintain those clients, you need to accept your mistakes. Like whenever they complain about something, you need to accept and just apologize. You don't have to apologize by just word of mouth, but you can come up with a complimentary, like depending on the services that you guys are offering, just figure out how you're going to apologize to them and make them feel like they're worth your time. They're like, it's just don't make it look like you're just there for money alone. You're there for money, to build a relationship, and to make sure that they feel good, and to make sure that whenever they give you those feedbacks, encourage your clients to give feedback. That was point number 5. So once they give you that feedback, accept your mistakes. Like maybe it won't be a good thing, it might be a bad thing, so you need to learn how to accept that. For example, there's a time someone came and complained that their hair wasn't done the right way. So of course I had to figure out how to make them feel happy. So they came back and we offered something for free. The client was happy, we were happy, and you save that relationship, and they keep on coming back to you. So that's another way of maintaining your clients. Cool, guys. And then point number 7 is treat your employees right. Do I need to explain that? Maybe. Your employees are the ones who are going to close these deals with these clients. Your employees are the ones who talk to these clients. These people are the ones who, without them, trust me, you can't run a company without people. You need them. Like if you treat them right, they're going to pass it on to the clients. If you treat your employees badly, the clients are going to be complaining, because they're not going to be fully like in that company. Some of them will even start stealing your clients. I'm very passionate about this one, by the way. This thing of having your employees working for you, and you're not paying them the right way, like you're underpaying your employees. It is not good. Just have a conversation with them and listen to them. Cool, guys? Because if you treat them right, they're the ones who are going to close those deals. They're the ones who will bring more clients. They're the ones who, when your employees are happy, your clients are also happy, because it goes on and on. They'll talk about you nicely. They will always, so just treat your employees right. Point number 8 is stay in touch with your clients. Don't let your clients look for you. Don't let them start calling you and asking you, hey, it's been a minute. You're the one who's supposed to do that. They're your clients. Call them, find out which projects they're working on. What is it that you can offer? What is it that you can do to make it better? Like this is something that you need to put on your calendar. There's a day you just check up on them, even if it means just walking into their office and seeing what's going on. Do that. Check up on them. Cool, guys? If you want to maintain them, you have to check up on them. Point number 9 is involve your clients in your office activities, like different activities that your company is having. For example, if you have team building or maybe charity work that you're doing, or something like barbecue parties, invite your clients. Some of them really look forward to such events. Sometimes it's good to just invite your clients out there and see how they interact with other people, and it will be even a good thing when you invite them. They'll be able to also interact with your other clients and exchange business. It's a good thing, guys. Our last point is appreciate your clients. And when I say appreciate them, is not bribing them. Like let's say when you have things like when Christmas is coming, Easter holiday is coming, there's this celebration for Muslims, such things when they're happening, just try and come up with a package that you can send to them just to appreciate them. They're your clients. You have to treat them like the way you treat your friends, the way you buy your friend gifts. Yes, guys, I love gifts. That's all we had for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this particular video, thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friend. And I'm sure there are many ways of maintaining your clients. If there's something that is working for you on how to maintain your clients and I haven't mentioned at all, kindly just leave a comment below so that at least we get to see and just build each other, guys. And then thank you so much, by the way, for subscribing to my channel. For those who subscribe, I really do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, guys, I think you can see my head somewhere. Just press it and then you'll be able to subscribe. Until next time, kisses. I think that's it for today. Is there anything you want to hear from me? Just let me know. Guys, is there anything you want to hear from me? Like for real. I feel sleepy, by the way. I think it's time I need to go and sleep now. Guys, is there anything you want to hear from me? Okay, there's nothing then. Kisses.